In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free logo for your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting out or looking to give your online shop a fresh new look, having a distinctive logo is crucial for your brand identity. So let's dive into this creative process step by step. First things first, let's talk about where you can create this logo without spending a dime. One of the best tools out there is Canva. Canva is an incredibly user-friendly platform that offers a wide range of editing options and a plethora of templates, making it ideal for beginners and experienced designers alike. Of course, you could use any other editing tool you're comfortable with, but for simplicity and convenience, we'll focus on Canva today. After navigating to the Canva website, you'll want to start a new design. On the homepage, you'll find an option to create a custom design or select a template. Since we are focusing on creating a logo, it's a good idea to use their dedicated logo templates. These are perfectly sized and give you a jumping-off point, which can make the process a lot easier and more efficient. You can choose from their diverse range of templates or start from scratch if you have a clear idea in mind. Once you've got your canvas in front of you, the fun really begins. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Begin by choosing a template that resonates with your brand's identity. Swap out the colors, adjust the fonts, and add graphics or icons that align with your store's theme. You might want to keep in mind the psychology of colors and how different fonts can convey different moods and messages. It's all about reflecting the personality of your store through your logo. As you work on the logo, periodically step back and consider whether it aligns with your brand vision. Ask yourself if it's simple enough to be memorable but still unique enough to stand out. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to download your work. Canva makes this incredibly straightforward. Simply hit the download button located at the top right corner, choose your preferred file format. Typically, a PNG is ideal as it offers quality and transparency, and save it to your computer. Now that you have your logo ready, let's move over to your Shopify store. Start by navigating to your online store's theme settings. Themes can vary, so make sure to locate the option labeled Logo or something similar within the settings. From there, you can upload the logo file you've just downloaded. Don't forget to check how it appears on your store's homepage. It should look polished and professional. Once everything looks perfect, hit Save to ensure your logo is updated and live. And just like that, you've created and installed a free logo for your Shopify store. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your brand's identity without any cost, giving your store a professional edge. Thanks for following along, and I hope your new logo helps your store stand out in the busy world of e-commerce.